Today, I am reviewing the FurMe Original Pet Grooming Vacuum Kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Taking care of our furry companions brings immense joy, but dealing with the endless cycle of shedding, loose fur, and dander can quickly turn into a full-time cleaning job. For pet parents who deal with thick double coats, fine cat fur, or regular matting, the traditional grooming process often means covered clothing, fur flying through the living room air, and a massive cleanup session afterward. This is precisely why the FurMe Original Pet Grooming Vacuum Kit has completely changed the game for home pet care. It is not just another grooming brush or pair of basic clippers. It is a brilliantly engineered, all-in-one system that transforms what used to be a stressful, messy chore into a clean, calm, and highly efficient bonding experience with your pet. After putting this comprehensive grooming system through its paces, the standout engineering choice that deserves immediate praise is the built-in vacuum suction power. Operating with an impressive 9,000 pascals of suction, the vacuum is designed to work simultaneously with every single attachment in the kit. The moment a hair is clipped, brushed loose, or de-shedded from your pet's coat, it is instantly drawn directly down into the machine through the flexible hose. It captures an incredible 99% of all loose hair and microscopic dander before it ever has a chance to escape into your home atmosphere or settle on your furniture. Everything is deposited into a generous 1-liter collection canister that is remarkably easy to detach and empty with a single press of a button. This means you can comfortably groom your dog or cat right on your living room rug or sofa without a single worry about creating a mess, effectively eliminating the post-grooming vacuuming and sweeping that usually takes up so much of your afternoon. For many pet owners, the biggest hurdle with any vacuum-assisted tool is the noise level, as standard household vacuums can terrify animals and induce severe anxiety. The acoustic design of this unit addresses this perfectly, operating in a remarkably quiet range of 42 to 70 decibels. It utilizes a multi-stage noise reduction system that drastically dampens mechanical vibrations. On its lowest setting, the sound is a gentle, soothing hum rather than a harsh roar, which helps keep sensitive dogs and cats completely relaxed during their grooming sessions. Even for pets that are traditionally skittish around loud appliances, the gradual introduction to the low setting makes it incredibly easy for them to acclimate, turning grooming into a peaceful routine rather than a traumatic struggle. The sheer versatility of the kit is another area where it truly excels, providing a complete, professional-grade grooming salon experience right at home. The bundle features an array of 5 specialized tools that swap out effortlessly on the hose connector. For daily maintenance, the standard grooming brush smooths the coat and captures loose topcoat hairs, while the heavy-duty de-shedding tool penetrates deep into the undercoat to pull out thick, trapped fur that would otherwise end up all over your carpets. For styling and trimming, the integrated electric clippers perform flawlessly, cutting smoothly through different coat types without pulling the skin, while the continuous suction prevents the clipped hairs from sticking to your pet's body. Additionally, the kit includes 2 specialized cleaning tools, a crevice tool and a cleaning brush, allowing you to quickly touch up your clothes or the surrounding area if any stray hairs happen to escape during the process. From an ergonomic and user-friendly standpoint, the hardware is a joy to handle. The attachments are lightweight and shaped to fit comfortably in the hand, minimizing wrist fatigue during extended grooming sessions for larger breeds. It easily adapts to all fur types, from short, coarse dog hair to long, fine cat coats, ensuring a smooth, snag-free experience across the board. By avoiding the expensive recurring costs of professional grooming salons and removing the anxiety of drop-offs, this system pays for itself incredibly quickly. It delivers a safe, comfortable, and beautifully clean solution to pet hair management, making it an absolute necessity for any pet-owning household looking to simplify their care routine.